Hello and welcome to this episode of iProspect.ie. Today I'm here with Bartley Sharkey, who is head of our PPC department, and we're going to talk about a piece of work a colleague of ours in the US did. So a guy called Jeremy Hull created a white paper, and it's basically on where he sees the search trends going in 2014, and Bartley's had a really good look at this. He's gone through it with a fine-tooth comb, and he's going to share his thoughts on this white paper and where we see search going in 2014.
Yeah, so I think this white paper, it's in a large way, it's kind of a response to what a lot of people are seeing as maybe the decline of paid search.
Okay.
Basically with the rise of social,
Yeah.
and the likes of LinkedIn and, for example, all real-time bidding and display.
Yeah.
So it's really a response to show, to say how important search remains, and the fact that it actually acts as a bit of a glue for all the different media.
Yeah.
So one of the main points, I guess, that he makes in it is that search is one of the first and the last touch points of any consumer's journey in the purchase cycle.
Yep.
It's how they initiate interaction, like active interaction as opposed to passive interaction through other media, whether that's through seeing a billboard or through seeing a display ad or even going in store where they're browsing. But when they actually use search, it's showing their intent, and really what he's saying is that model hasn't changed. That basically search by now is a mature medium compared with a lot of the other digital mediums.
Yep.
And really what that means is that advertisers still need to use it and make use of it as one of the principal, I guess, strategies within their entire digital marketing portfolio. The only thing is that right now we see it's matured a lot, and what that means is that there's a lot of competition, things have really kind of settled, and what we're moving into now is more of, I guess, predictive search, and we're looking at ways to anticipate user behavior as opposed to simply working off the intent in the moment. So instead of being real-time intent-based advertising, with Google's release of Hummingbird and Google Now, what we're moving towards is, I guess, predictive ads.
Yeah.
So really, what the white paper goes into is how advertisers need to be ahead of the curve, how they need to basically take advantage and put all the different data points that we now have available to us all into one place to then better serve search, which still acts as the main point of conversion for many advertisers.
Awesome. So good stuff. So I guess the main point then is, even though we've got all these new sexy different types of media like real-time bidding, search has still got to definitely be a key and foundational strategy, because that's where people are going to go when they see a billboard or when they see a display ad and actually go, what's this all about? They're going to search for it.
Yeah.
Make sure that we're there.
So one of the main points as well is that the digital touch points, they don't make up separate entities in people's minds. People now regard all the digital universe as one place.
Yeah.
So search is an integral part of that, even though they'll see ads for different brands in different touch points.
Yeah.
So really, yeah, exactly. It's basically essential that you're in search.
Yeah.
And that you continue to do so, and that you take advantage of all the more
features,
ways of targeting and predicting what users will want and what they're going to convert on.
Awesome. So guys, we will include a link to that white paper somewhere around the video. We want to give a shout out to Jeremy Hull, obviously, for creating that video, and hopefully he doesn't mind us sharing it in his video. Again, thanks to Bart for joining us and giving us thoughts on that. And until next time, take care and bye bye.